Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into something really cool for all you rooted Android users out there: how to install the SKIA UI Renderer Enabler Magisk module. This module can make your Android's UI feel even smoother and more responsive, so stick around to see how it's done. Before we jump into the installation, let's quickly go over what you'll need. First off, your Android device needs to be rooted, and for that, you'll need Magisk, KernelSU, Apatch, or Kitsune Mask already installed on your device. This module relies on one of these root solutions to work its magic. That's it for the requirements. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, let's get to the main event, installing the SKIA UI Renderer Enabler module. There are a couple of ways to do this. Depending on your setup, open your Magisk, KernelSU, Apatch, or Kitsune Mask app. Navigate to the Modules section. You'll find the download link for the SKIA UI Renderer Enabler module in the video description below. Once you've downloaded it, tap on the Install from Storage or Install from Internal Storage option within your root app. Select the downloaded module file. The installation will proceed. For those who prefer recovery, you can also flash the module through your custom recovery like TWRP. After successful flashing, reboot your system. One crucial thing to remember: you need to keep this module installed on your device. While it applies immediately if installed via the app, it needs to remain installed for the changes to take effect every time your device boots up. So don't uninstall it unless you want to revert the changes. And there you have it. Installing the SKIA UI Renderer Enabler Magisk module is that simple. Hopefully, you'll notice a snappier and more fluid user interface on your rooted Android device. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more Android customization tips, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. All the download links and any other relevant information will be in the video description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.